How to change your age on TikTok. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The first step is to open up TikTok on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And now over here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. So now you will notice that there is actually no setting that allows you to change your age once you have signed into TikTok. So for that, what you want to do now is tap on Report a Problem. From here, you want to tap on Account and Profile. Now tap on Editing a Profile and you're going to find different options. However, none of these options matches with changing your age. So you want to tap on Other. Now here you can go through all of this and tap on No if you want, and now tap on Need more help. So now here you need to explain your issue to TikTok. You can say that you have entered the wrong date of birth and you can provide any documents to verify your age. Once you do that, tap on Submit. Then TikTok will get back to you in 24 to 48 hours and they might request you to submit some sort of document for verification. After that, you can change your age on TikTok. But if that doesn't solve your issue, you can create a new account and then sign up using your correct date of birth. So this is what you can do to change your age on TikTok. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.